Steady, steady, lock the position, don't spill anything.
Flow rate looks perfect. Keep the conveyor running at this speed.
This machine is running perfectly. Keep monitoring the output flow.
Increase the speed slightly. We need higher throughput on this line.
Scan results are stable. Redirect the smaller batches to line B.
Quality index is high. Maintain this processing speed.
Water pressure is perfect. Keep the flow consistent across all channels.
Increase the rinse cycle by 2 seconds. We need maximum cleanliness.
Temperature is stable. Maintain this heat level across all chambers. Increase airflow slightly. We need faster drying without overexposure. Moisture levels dropping perfectly. Keep this cycle running.
Output consistency looks perfect. Maintain this pressure level. Texture quality is excellent, and this batch is ready for the next stage. Texture consistency is excellent. This batch is perfectly compacted. Block formation looks perfect. Maintain this compression pressure. Keep the extrusion speed steady. Don't disturb the layering pattern.
Cutting alignment is perfect. Keep the blade speed constant.
Increase precision control. We need equal weight pieces across the batch.
Particle size is decreasing evenly. Keep the rotation speed stable.
Tank filling is stable. Maintain this transfer rate.
Flow pressure is optimal. Keep the valves locked at this level. Fill level is rising perfectly. Prepare for the next batch.
Mixture consistency is forming perfectly. Keep the rotation speed steady.
Add a bit more moisture. We need a softer blend for uniform texture. And texture looks perfect, and this batch is ready for shaping.
Consistency looks just like perfect dough. Keep the rotation smooth and steady.
Perfect texture achieved. Maintain this kneading cycle for uniform softness.
Extrusion flow is perfect. Maintain this pressure for uniform strands.
Surface finish looks excellent. This batch is ready for cutting.
Keep the thickness consistent. Don't change the nozzle pressure. Noodle output looks perfect. Yeah. Maintain this extrusion speed.
Keep the thickness consistent. We need uniform noodle strands.
Surface quality is excellent, and this batch is ready for drying and packaging. Increase airflow slightly. We need even heat distribution.
Moisture level is dropping perfectly, and this batch is ready for final packaging.
Temperature is perfectly balanced. Maintain this heat level across the line.
Cooking level is perfect. Maintain this temperature for consistent texture. Keep the boiling steady. We need uniform cooking across all strands.
Texture looks perfectly cooked, and this batch is ready for the next stage.
Ensure each pack has equal portions. Maintain this filling accuracy.
Placement looks perfect, and this batch is ready for final dispatch.
Ensure every pack includes 1 sachet. Don't miss any unit. Packaging quality looks premium. Maintain this finishing standard.
Packaging line is running perfectly. Keep the sealing tight and clean.
Box filling is perfectly aligned. Keep the flow steady.
Ensure each box has the correct count. Maintain this packing accuracy.
Sealing line is running perfectly. Ensure every box is tightly secured.
Seal pressure looks good. Maintain this speed for consistent output.
Loading is on schedule. Keep the boxes moving steadily into the trucks.
Stack them carefully. We need maximum space efficiency in every truck.
Final row complete. This truck is ready for departure. All units moving on schedule. Maintain speed and distance. Speed is stable. We'll reach the destination right on time.
These new packs look premium. Place them at eye level for better visibility.
Make sure the front row stays perfectly aligned. Presentation is everything.
This product is ready for customers. Everything looks perfect.
This looks like a premium product, but I'll take this one.
The packaging looks great. This must be high quality.
Your total is ready. Thank you for your purchase.
This is perfect. I'd definitely buy this again.
Wow, this tastes amazing. Perfectly cooked. The texture is so soft and rich. This is really high quality.